What's up, everyone? I'm trying to catch you back another Eureka video. In this Eureka video, I have a piece of mail that's on the floor that's been there for, I don't know, since what? Sometime in April, probably. Either April or the beginning of the month. It was just lying here on the floor because we don't even have a mailbox. Oh, great, it's from this WDC thing. Completely forgot about this junk.
What's this WDC thing talking about?
This, what is it called? This trash.
This Worldwide Developers Conference?
No, this trash pickup.
Oh.
Okay, let's open it up. Oh my god. I have to really tear this garbage apart. Okay, what's in here? Oh, great. Great, there's an unpaid bill in here. April 26, 2024. This thing is more than a month old. Your trash and recycling bill is past due. Services will not be updated until the bill has been paid. We don't even use the services anymore. Are you laughing?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
We don't even use these trash cans anymore because...
Learn how to pay these bills.
Hold on, what is this piece of tape from? I'll just throw it over there. We don't even use this trash. See, it's... Man, I've had enough of this. Alright, we don't even use this WDC thing because this N series garbage is on the side, but I'm gonna be emptying it since we need to pay this bill, which is $118.8 or cardboard. This dumb seat. Man, all this garbage is just folded up. Unfold it. What are you doing?
Laughing.
Why?
Because it's funny.
Okay. Why is this Hoover Elite registered under it? I don't understand this. This is this deer... What?
I thought it was just for this Eureka.
It says this Dear Hoover Elite. Why is he registered under this WDC trash service?
Maybe he got involved in it.
Your trash and recycling bill is past due. Services will not be updated until the bill has been paid. The total bill cost as of April 26, 2024 is $118.8 period. Here's what will happen if services shut down. Your trash will no longer be collected monthly. Also, additional fees will be counted yearly for trash can over... Oh, great. We have additional fees, bro. It's probably like $500 at this point. It says April 26, 2024. It's May 31st.
June 1st tomorrow.
Yeah. This garbage is old.
How much is due?
It says 118.8 as of
last paid.
Probably, I don't know, March.
Oh, I have an idea.
We recommend keeping your trash low and not exceeding any warning. This paper has been lying on that behind that door, under that door on the floor. Everyone that has entered and exited this wall has stepped on this piece of mail at least 20 times. That's how long it's been down there on that floor underneath that door, waiting for someone to finally pick it up and open it and read it. Here, I'm gonna make this the thumbnail. It just says Wall 2.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's actually from last year.
No, it's 2024.
Oh.
Okay, there's the thumbnail. Alright, great. Well, this Hoover Elite kid's gonna have some trouble because he's supposed to be keeping this garbage up. I don't know why he's not paying yet. What is he trying to hide from me? Wait, where's... Oh, I forgot this white Eureka kid's still kicked out. I forgot about that.
You should check inside that CRT.
Why is he on the floor? This is just ridiculous. What?
You should check the inside of that CRT. People usually hide stuff inside.
What CRT? Oh, him?
Yeah, what if they opened it up?
There's nothing in there. That thing has been collecting dust.
These missing letters and whatever in here.
Hold on, I'm gonna read them in a second. Let me go get this Eureka trash back in here.
You need to get this clear CRT so they can't put stuff in there.
Yeah, this prison one.
They're only like $50 on eBay.
No, they're not. They're like at least $100.
For like the LCD ones, they're only like $50.
Oh.
And it's like a 24-inch too, so it's an
Okay, where is he? Oh, here he is. Okay, so he's been sitting in this Wall 2 garage rotting away for the past, how much? Month, probably, since that video? See, if I had that MacBook down here, I'd bring it up, but again, I don't. Why'd he fall apart?
Why don't you just run upstairs and go get it real quick?
It's on my bed. This garbage is completely falling apart, bro. Everything's hanging off this piece of junk. Doesn't weigh that much. You can carry it by this, except all this plastic just bites into your hand.
Nobody.
Now look at him in this mirror.
Quality. Nobody said it was made quality.
Oh my god. You know what? I don't care anymore. We'll just drag him. I don't care. Okay, have a seat.
Straight into the microphone.
Dumb cord. His handle's still back there somewhere. No, sit up. And into my CRT. Okay, I'm back. I have to go for a sec. So... Alright, get him back inside. Get inside. The heck? When he fall apart? No, pick this up. Get inside. Why is it stuck? Sit up. I said get inside. See, he's sitting there stalling. Almost broke that LED. You know what? I've had enough of this. Okay, get out of my way. I said get out of my way. It's not my problem. He can't listen to simple directions. Stupid cord is all over the floor again. Man, I've had enough of this, bro. This is the exact reason why he got kicked out, and it's still like this. No, sit up. No, I said sit up. Why'd this map kid fall? No, sit up. Man, I had enough of this. Sit up. Okay, he can just sit right there. I don't care. See, and there's even more mail on top of this table that still has to get reviewed. That's like 2 years old then. I think that's it for this video. I don't know how we're supposed to pay this bill. I'll have to figure that junk out. Because at some point, all this cardboard on the floor is going to have to go. Let's start emptying it a little bit. You can see this phone dangling on the bottom of the screen. Still have to review it though. Make sure there's not anything important inside of it. But I probably make YouTube shorts each time I clean this garbage out. Or I mean not clean it up, but throw it in the bag. And then eventually I'll recycle it.
Oh, can you get money for recycling it?
No.
Oh, because you can do these dumb cans and get money for them.
It's just a whole bunch of cardboard though.
I
There's
know,
no cans
I
in
thought
here.
maybe.
Well, no,
maybe
because
they
for
did the
some
same
reason, this babysitter decided to throw these Pepsi cans in there for whatever reason.
Oh, start crushing and collecting these cans, and then when you're get enough, take them to like a recycler or whatever, and you can get like a lot of money.
And this
like,
is ridiculous.
One time they give you like, I think $1 per pound or something, or I think it's like $50 a pound. I don't know. It depends.
I'm
how
keeping
they do it where
faceplates,
you
by
live.
the way. From these
Wait,
computers
what?
and these TVs, I'm keeping those.
Face plates.
Like where the power button is and all that nonsense.
Like real TVs or these?
No, cardboard.
Cardboard. Oh.
Alright, that's it for now. I'm gonna have to empty that out later. Man, why won't he just sit up for once? Man, this is ridiculous, bro. I've had enough of this. Get up. Man, sit up on this piece of plastic. Stupid piece of junk. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.